there's something interesting I want to also install. There's something called TSD, which we will need to install type definitions for TypeScript, because we're gonna be using TypeScript in our application. So I would love to install some type definitions, and to do that you will need something called TSD. So TSD is like a typings installer. It installs some ambient declarations. I will get into that later. So to install TSD, you will just do npm install tsd-g. So we'll not be installing that right now. You'll just hit that install that, and if you install that, you're gonna have the tsd command, which is as shown here, and it currently have some things to do which is pretty boilerplate, but I will explain you how to install typings. So now that we're in this current folder, to install typings for our current, this one that we installed, so I will just do tsd install, and I'll just say what did we install the other time. We installed Express, we installed body parser, and then we installed Mongoose, so we'll grab that. And then we also did installed what we call node UUID. So we got our dependencies we installed, but wanted to install some declarations to help us with TypeScript, you know. So in here I will just do a -s, which is means save, and -r, which is means resolve any dependencies that any of these typings need. So when we'll do that, here it will automatically create a typings folder for us and write some type definitions in this folder. So you can see it installed written 9 files, and it did some resolving, and you can see it did resolve that we need Node.js. So in here we'll come here and we'll see that we have our typings folder, which has all of the type definitions. These are just simple 1 files that contain some huge informations in TypeScript about your current library you're using, which is pretty interesting. We'll get into that more later. So